We have all seen how average employees rise and grow faster, more than brilliant and skillful employees, just because of one thing. These days, majority of employees and graduates believe that technical skills alone can grant them success in the corporate environment or in their offices. Meanwhile, the reality is that majority of companies these days now hire employees and workers they can rely upon, trust, and work with for the foreseeable future. A brilliant and more skillful employee who is rude and arrogant towards management and his clients often gets overlooked when it comes to leadership opportunities and promotional opportunities within the company. That is when it comes to internal promotions and internal recruitment. But as compared to an average employee who is an average employee with a strong emotional intelligence and the ability to handle difficult situations, often gets the promotional opportunities more than the skillful employee who is rude, arrogant, and unprofessional towards the clients of the company. Another thing graduates and employees don't observe is that management of every company and institution mostly observe how employees and workers handle situations, especially when it comes to conflicts and during meetings, how employees handle these types of situations. A brilliant and more skillful employee who can handle or address difficult situations but with arrogance often gets overlooked by management. But that average employee who has the ability to pass through situations and with his or her strong emotional intelligence on how to handle situations often gets promoted. You get it? So, mostly, technical skills alone does not guarantee you success in your office or in the corporate environment at large. So, as you acquire daily technical skills and computerized skills, ensure that you build on your emotional intelligence, your attitude, and how you mingle and relate with people. Your degree alone cannot guarantee you success, but with a collaboration of your good attitude, you go far. Thank you for watching. This is AG Professional Services. If you like this video, and kindly subscribe to our channel for more updates like this. Thank you.